guys, welcome back. I guess if you follow me on Instagram, you might have noticed we took a very impromptu trip to Cape Cod. We live in the Massachusetts, closer to the Boston area, and we just needed to get out, especially after the pandemic and being cooped up in the house. We're in phase 3 right now, and it was a great break. And definitely a much needed change of scenery, for sure. While we were on the Cape, we had people coming in and out. We've been remodeling our home, getting it prepped to sell. We're thinking about moving closer to my family, which is in Rhode Island. So as we were ready to come home, we knew we had a lot of work ahead of us. This is actually us trying to pull out one of our windows because it's been virtually impossible to find contractors or handymen that can do these smaller projects for us. So we took it on ourselves. And here's an update of what we've been having done. We had our bathroom plastered, took off all the wallpaper, which was a nightmare, and same thing in our bedroom, but now we have to clean up. Well, this just about wraps up our video. I'm going to finish cleaning the sink and get the kids ready for bed. And thanks for watching. Until next time, and please subscribe. Bye.